Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making a sweet semolina cake. So let's start baking. There are 3 parts of ingredients to the sweet semolina cake. For the first part, you will need 1 cup of fine semolina, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 9 grams of vanilla sugar. For the second part, you will need half a cup of sweetened coconut, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, and half a cup of milk. For the third part, the sugar syrup, you will need 1 cup of white sugar, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water. The first step, you will need to add the sugar in a small saucepan, add the water, put it on high heat, and this is how your sweet semolina cake should look like. Serve it with some chai and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!